This is WGBY and WGBY DT Springfield, public television for Western New England.
My name is Eugene Mamut. I did special effects, animation, and it's about 40 years, and I'm now retired. So we opened Animagic in the museum in 2002. So this is what I'm doing now with this museum. It's for my pleasure. Special effects was always in the movie, but actually its revolution in special effects, I think it starts with Douglas Trumbull in 2001, when he started creating this computerized camera and all this stuff. And after that, it's Star Wars, and all this movies start in revolution in special effects. So now you cannot think about special effects in movie without computers. I never was interested in movie. I was interested in science, okay, and I was electrical engineer, and then one time I was designing equipment for movie production, like animation stand, an optical printer, and then I fell in love with movie, and then I switched it, and I started making a movie, educational movie in my university in Ukraine. So I immigrated in 1978. First movie was Blue Lagoon. And this is I was working in companies called EFX Unlimited in New York City, and this was first movie what we did special effects. It's a challenge. So every day you need to find out solution. Customer bring to us film and said, we need to solution how to do this effect, okay? And then it's start rolling. You start thinking. You cannot sleep, you cannot eat. You start thinking how to do this, and this is the best part of this job, to thinking and find a solution. When the production company came to us to create new effect for Predator, request was that he is visible when he is moving, but he is invisible when he is not moving. So Joel Hynek and me, we did a lot of tests and sent it to Hollywood, and they choose one particular scene, and it was using Predator 1 and Predator 2. We received Academy Science and Engineering Award. For Predator camouflage effect, this scene what we spent like 2 weeks to make one scene. Now with computer, I tried to repeat something like that. It took me like 10 minutes. It's much better, yes. And when you're doing digital, you not lose quality. But this is a tool. It's not, only computer without people is nothing. So here we have a small museum where in first room is small store. We're selling amazing toys. And for example, this is greeting card. You send this greeting card to your friends in envelope, and your friends receive greeting card. They turn around, and this is animation. Irina Borisova is my wife, okay, and she is working with Tom Gasik in Great Barrington and doing a lot of commercials. They were shooting a movie. One group came, another group came. So people start coming, and Tom said, we need museum here because it's people coming. And me and Irina, we was dreaming about museum long time ago, because like educational tool for people. People coming here, okay, and we have a guided tour. We show people all history and all tools, how the movie was done here in Berkshire. So all this movie industry here in Berkshire starts with Mr. Douglas Trumbull. He used to live in Hollywood. He made his movie in Hollywood, but he was dreaming about Berkshire. And it's about 40 years ago, he made a movie. It's called Silent Running. It's about space. Do you know how he named spaceship? he named spaceship in this movie Berkshire. Okay? And after he came here to Berkshire, all specialists came to this area. Here it was done a lot of movies like Judge Dredd, What Dreams May Come, Matrix, Die Hard, Starship Troopers, all this was done here. We have workshop. We teach people how to do animation, special effects. They come into us about 2 hours. They'll make their model, make their own animation, put movie in computer. They can add sound, music, title, and transfer to tape. So it's about 2 hours. They go home with their tape and animation on their tape. You must see the eyes, people's eyes when they saw first time in their life their creation start moving. It's very thrilled to see somebody came with straight face, and after all this, what he saw here, and they make his own movie, and he's going out and smiling and very sensible. This is great pleasure to see people how they like this.
Well, there we are, a unique little museum in Lee, Massachusetts, and we are back in East Haddam, Connecticut.